gonna be smooth, man. Just getting back down here, man. Oh, fucking tired, bro. Fucking tired. I went on ahead and tried to pop some of that dent out of my damn door. Some of it. Well, I got it out a little bit. Finna take a look at it. Alright guys, I had to stop the video for a minute, but had to go ahead and change my little cousin oil. So got her little oil change. Man, I got started on the truck, went on, and basically what I'm gonna do, we hit up a buddy of mine, and so luckily he has a spare truck. So I won't go and get the door from his, and gonna go and grab the fender and everything from him. So after I get all that, then, and oh yeah, I'm gonna change the bumper and all that. That way, whoever paint the truck ain't got a lot they gotta do. All right, so let's just get into it. All right, y'all know I'm out here just marching around. So it broke my panel whenever the deer hit. The inside of here is fucked. I just put it back together. It's even, not even no point of even showing it. It's fucked, and I got it patched up all kind of ways holding this together. The new grill that broke. I put a new grill on here. I started doing video cause I'm about to redo everything. Matter of fact, let me go and drop the videos of what I got started on doing. Let's get it. All right, guys. So y'all remember I had a broke grill. I'm gonna try to cut another one out real quick and repair that. Yeah, it just all broke. As y'all can see, it just look a fucking mess without it. Fuck that door. And we finna clean up some of these wires back here. I'm just gonna be honest. It come down to mines, I don't try to do all this immaculate stuff. I need to unhook this here and run it somewhere else. So I kind of did that rushing. So, and I'm probably gonna take that Sony out. I got a Memphis 2 channel. Probably gonna use that. So I'm gonna get started pulling all this out and just go forward with that. Try to clean this up a little, clean under here. So let's get it. Alright guys, so basically I had to run up to the house and grab a little piece of board that I got here. Finna go and trace the grill out, go and get started cutting. So we're finna get this started. Let's go and get this out the way so I can wrap it, and then I can put it back on, man. Hopefully I got the same fabric, I'm not sure. But we're gonna have to cut another grill out. That shit there is ate up, so let's get it. Alright guys, I had to use some old fabric that I had, but I was able to cut out another grill. Cheese. I did break it when I was cutting it, so I just took some staples, put it in between it. There we go. Now, I know it's like 2 different fabrics. I know y'all. I wasn't even finna reuse this old fucking fabric, man. I wasn't even finna use it, so let's cut out another one. Finna slide it up here real quick, and we're gonna keep moving. Let's get it. Alright, as y'all can see, I already had got started on videos for me doing, you know, all of this over. And, you know, as soon as this shit happens. Shit happens. So, I pushed the door back out. It's bent like hell down here. But, it's not that bad. But, I pushed it out as much as I could, man. Quote, unquote, not a body man. But we just wanted this back out. So, got that back out a little. Still, I ain't even fuck with this because when I looked at it, all of this right here is crease. You know, you can look and you can see right there where it's dipping in. So basically what I'm gonna end up doing, I'm just gonna replace the door, replace the fender, replace the hood. The front bumper, replace it. It was like this when I got it though, the bumper and the hood. I think the fender was too. I'm gonna replace all that anyway before I go to a paint shop. I'm trying to, you know, leave whoever the hell painted at least work possible. So, you know, hey, it didn't fuck up my rims though. So now the main thing I'm worried about is my shit still playing. Cause I don't know. So I'm finna check and see if my shit's still fucking playing. That's what I'm looking towards, to see if it's still playing. Cause I don't even know. I mean, oh yeah, then I got a dent up here. They're gonna have to fix that. I mean, I don't know now. I mean, this truck, like it, love it, whatever, but really not studying it too much anymore right now. I'm not. So, oh yeah, I gotta zip tie my hand right now. I gotta zip tie my underglow light back up. So, let me go and jump into that. All right, cool. Got the underglow back zip tied. So, what we finna do now, guys, we're finna see, make sure everything is functioning. I'm just gonna redo the doors like I said I was. And like I've been said, still debating, because I think I'm gonna end up doing, I was thinking about no wall, but one of my buddies just called me and said he was gonna do a no wall, so I'll keep the seatbelt. Fuck it. I try not to have too much of the same shit going on, or I might still change over to a no wall. It depends. I mean, it just all depends. Well, I might just keep the seatbelt. I really don't give a damn. I just basically doing some shit right now. But this door is already fucked. Anyway, back to this truck, it was fucked. That right there was bent when I got it. And I bent the back out. Y'all can remember when I first got it. And I ain't gonna clean the blood stain off of there. Fuck that. You hit my truck. And they stole my deal. So, here's the thing. We gotta make sure everything is still coming on and still fucking playing. They've been riding them motherfuckers all day. So, let's give it a try. Voltage still looking good. Oh yeah, that truck don't charge that high. It charge a little high. They don't never charge that high. And that thing there don't read right. I pay no attention at all to that motherfucker there. I normally just look up here sometimes. Damn, I know guys, my camera fucked up. But that shit down there, I don't pay no fucking attention to wet so fucking ever. Let me try to get on in with the get in. Let's get it. Alright guys, I had to come back another day, man. Had so much going on yesterday, but we're finna give it a try. So I'm gonna do a little test here, y'all.
Yeah, we got an RV, we driving cross country, put it on mileage. So high here, sitting in silence. We're still young, let's live with no guidance. Yeah, we on our way to Tortuga. Throw it back to when I knew you. Yeah, the fool might run right through you, making our way to fucking Cuba. Yeah, we try to live, calling bring friends. Yeah, we're gonna lose ourselves tonight, bumping Eminem, never telling them how we're gonna drink till the daylight. I'm feeling funky, invincible. Oh, we're still young in principle. My problems seem invisible. I'd rather not get physical, cause we all got our problems. Sometimes we drink them bottles. We quickly find a bottle. We got so much in common, cause we all got our problems. Sometimes we drink them bottles. We quickly find a bottle. We got so much in common. Yeah, we road tripping on a little mission. LSD, yeah, we literally tripping. Let us be, cause we all a little different. Feel so free with the wine I'm sipping. Bunch of pioneers on the Oregon.
From it all, so you can't fool. You can't fool me, baby. Oh no, oh, you can't fool me, baby. You can't fool me, baby. Oh no, try to run it on somebody. You can't fool. You can't fool me, baby. Oh no, oh, you can't fool me, baby. I done been there and done that. So tell the truth and shame the devil. I used to be up in a dope house. Oh, jugging at the club, trying to take me some home. Yeah, I worried the hell out of my mama. Mama, oh, I remember when she got me out of jail, and she ain't raised me like that.